In today's edition of What's on the Porch, I have my Eyescream Beauty Box for the month of August. And I also have one painted fingernail, painted black. You're going to have to stick around to find out why. Hey howdy, hey y'all, Leanna here. Eyescream Beauty Box arrived on my porch today. It was hand delivered to me to the desk here by my daughter Brandy. I no longer have to go out and find out what's on the porch. It just comes into the house to me. Here's the card that goes along with the box, and the theme is Under the Sea. Eyescream Beauty Box is $25 a month, I believe, and it includes shipping. I subscribe for 6 months at a time so that I get a little bit of a discount, and you are guaranteed an eyeshadow palette in every box. And in this month's box, we have Mermaid Tails. This is Mermaid Scales Cosmetics X Eyescream Beauty. So this is a collab with Eyescream Beauty. They created this palette just for this month's box. I love the packaging. Did I just mess up my fingernail? Look at how pretty that packaging is. And y'all know purple's my favorite color. I mean, come on, look at my hair. Love the purple packaging. It has a nice mirror on the inside. It's got a shade saver on it. I'm going to take that off so that we can see the shades without the glare. And it is a very, very pretty color story. The pink and the orange, which do not look that way on my monitor, but they are neon colors, shades. They're shades. But that is very pretty. Very pretty. And I did not do a look with this palette because I do not intend to keep it. Of course, now that I'm looking at it, I'm like, what was I thinking? But that neon pink and orange kind of threw me off. But I am going to swatch it for you because my daughter wants this palette. It's nice to be able just to pass things off to her. And so, that shade is called Splash. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Why am I not keeping this palette? Look at how pretty that is. I'm going to have to go into Seaweed next. That's very pretty as well. And Ursula. Oh, look at that purple. Let's put that right up next to that green. I don't know, y'all. I don't know what I was thinking. I've already told her I'd give it to her. I obviously have lost my mind. And of course, she was immediately drawn to this shade and this shade right here. So let's swatch those and see what... Oh, those are very soft. Oh my goodness. You can't see the shift in that. It's shifting purple. Oh my gosh. That is so pretty. I wish you could see the purple shift. But it is not going to pick it up. And then this green. Oh my gosh. Oh, holy mackerel. Now, you can see the green there, but right here I can see blue and purple, and oh my goodness. Yep, pretty sure I lost my mind telling her she could have this one. Let's do one more. Let's do this. Lord have mercy. Look at that. Y'all. Yep. Pretty sure I lost my mind. To the point that I'm going to have to stop the video and go show her. One moment, please. Yep, so I had to swatch some more so I could show her. Holy cow. Yeah, well, I mean, you know, it'll just be in the next room, right? I can just go get it whenever I want to. That's a really nice palette. And that palette retails for $35, so you got your money's worth right there in that one eyeshadow palette. The next item is a matte liquid lipstick by Beauty for Certain. And I did not know that the owner of this brand was a rapper. I thought that was pretty cool. And best as I can tell, the shade of this is number 50. I don't think it really has a shade name. This retails for $22. And I kind of like that it's small. And I know I have, why are you blurry? Don't be blurry. I know that I have a lipstick on. I'm going to put this right on top of it. Look at how pretty that is. So let's see what this looks like. That's really pretty. That is very pretty. I like that a lot. It's very comfortable. It's not sticky. Let's see how that dries down. The next item in the box is this loose shimmer powder. This is Ocean Breeze, and it retails for $10, and it is also by Mermaid Scales Cosmetics. It's to complement the eyeshadow collaboration. This, I love the little mermaid that's on the cap. This has a seal on it. I'm probably going to make a mess. Oh my gosh. And that's what it looks like. Let's see if I can get the camera to focus on it. Oh, and spill it all over the place. That is very pretty. I'm just going to take that and swatch it right on the back of my hand. That is very pretty. That has a blue gold shift to it. Very, very fine glitter. And it is all over my desk. I'm not mad about that. I kind of like that actually. And then from Earth Arbor we have Mermaid Milk. This is Nutrient Glow Moisturizer. It has spirulina and matcha in it. And normally, I mean, Earth Arbor is a nice brand, and you get a lot of these products in these subscription boxes. I've never gotten the Mermaid Milk. I was a little surprised that it did not have a seal on it, but it smells really good. I stuck my nose in it. I'm gonna have mermaid dust all over my nose. It has a unique but familiar smell to it. It's almost like, and it absorbs in really nice. It almost smells like, oh gosh, like a menthol. It's almost like, oh gosh, why can't I think of the name of that old-timey medicine? I am looking forward to using this product because I love spirulina and matcha. And, well, both of them are very good for your skin. So that product retails for $42. And the last product is by Charmacy. And this is a duochrome liquid eyeliner. And this retails for $12. Charmacy has very nice products, and their products are very reasonable. This box is so cute. Very nice packaging. I like that. And here is the eyeliner, and it shifts from gold to purple. I don't know how many different shifts it has. Does it say? 3 to 4 colors depending on the way the light hits. And you can wear it as it is as an eyeliner, or you can put it over a black eyeliner to make it stand out. And I am probably not going to use this as an eyeliner just because I don't mind being way out there. Let's just put it on and see. But I know that I'm not going to wear this to work. And there's not many places that I go that I would actually wear this. It is really pretty though. And now that I've tried it on, I might actually wear that as an eyeliner because it is. That turned out to be very pretty. I like that. But here is my idea. And the reason I have a black nail. And now I want to take some of this blue, oh my goodness, that fell all over the desk. Of course, it's not sticking very well, but you know, I have a video where I put eyeshadow on my fingernails. You can't, it's on there just a little bit. You can see a little bit of that, but my idea is to use the eyeliner, and I didn't do a very good job, as like a, you know, to do a graphic liner on your nail, because you can do designs on your nail. You can do dots, you can do squigglies, there's all kinds of things, flowers, different things that you could do with a graphic liner on your nail. And of course, I didn't do a very good job because you know, I'm just trying to show you. That has a beautiful shift in it though. And then if you put a good topper over the top of it, it will last. And that's very pretty. I like that. Very pretty. So that's why I have on black nail polish. That lipstick dried down really nice. It's not coming off. It is not sticky. It's not on my teeth. It's very comfortable. I'm impressed. I really like it. Those are all of the products in my August Eyescream Beauty Box. Under the Sea, and the value of my box is $121. I did sign up for Eyescream Beauty again for another 6 months, so I will be getting boxes through the end of December. And I have been with Eyescream for 2 years, I guess. This is going on my 3rd year. I believe that I will have a link down in the description box if you're interested in checking out the Eyescream Beauty Box. Get you some duochrome eyeliner and use it to paint your fingernails with. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. And before you go, make sure you show that like button some love. And as always, I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are. And we are all beautiful at any age and any size. Find something to be grateful for today. Pull your makeup out and play with it. And I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.